Guys, this is Aubrey. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my souvenir collection, and this is my fridge magnet because me and my husband are always traveling across the US, and I also love to get a little something every single time we travel to a new destination here in America. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you. This is my souvenir fridge magnet collections. It's one of my favorite things to collect while traveling. And this is my first fridge magnet in Missouri. As you can see, there's an Aubrey name. And we have a pictures taken in Arizona. That's winter time that day. And we went to Hoover Dam. Oh, I love Hoover Dam. And we went to Pennsylvania. Oh, I love Pennsylvania too. And here's some of my pictures in Welcome Center. I just want to make sure that I can stop by and take pictures in the Welcome Center. And this is in New Hampshire. I think we traveled there last month, May. And this is one of my friends gave that to me. That's in Michigan. And we went to Iowa. I love this one. It's a bottle opener. And we went to Kansas. And we went to Georgia. Oh, I love Georgia. We went to Mall of Georgia. And we went to North Dakota. And we went to Precious Moments Chapel in Missouri. Oh, I love that place. So peaceful, so amazing. And we went to Las Vegas, of course. Last January, we celebrate our first year wedding anniversary. And we went to Vermont. And we went to Wisconsin. And we got a chance to visit the longest cave in Wisconsin, Crystal Cave. And we went to Massachusetts. And here are some of our photos in Las Vegas when we celebrate our first year anniversary, wedding anniversary. We went to New Jersey. We went to Tennessee. And we went to Dr. Pepper, Waco, Texas, New Jersey. We went to Connecticut. And of course, we went to Arizona. And we went to Kentucky. We went to Mississippi. It's a magnolia flower, I think. And we went to Dallas, of course. It's just 30 minutes away from home. We went to Nevada. And here's some my pictures, our pictures together here in Hoover Dam. It's so nice place. It's so amazing. And of course, we went to Jack Daniels, the whiskey distillery. We have a tour there. And we went to Walmart Museum in Arkansas. Oh, it's so nice there. And we went to Indiana. And we went to New Mexico. So nice also there. And here's my Ohio. Actually, I bought this one and I just now realized that my friends went to Ohio, and actually I just don't want to buy that one for me. And just recently we have a trip there in Minnesota, and we've been in Mall of America, and oh, I love that mall. It's so big, so huge. And this is one of my favorite collections, Michigan. It's just my favorite of my husband because he's the one pick it up, that one. And we went to Oklahoma and the Crystal Bridge in Arkansas. So I think that's it. As you can see, I got a little bored, and I think I need a bigger one soon because I love collecting souvenirs, and every time I see them, oh, I feel so happy, makes me happy. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos, and please don't forget like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.